5 Best Practices for Healthy Teeth. Many of us dream about having the perfect pearly white smile, but if you're not taking good care of your teeth, they may look visually unappealing and may contribute towards your overall poor health and well-being. Following a good oral hygiene routine is crucial. Here are 5 of the best practices for healthy teeth. Tip number 1, brush correctly. From a young age, you were likely taught the importance of brushing your teeth twice a day. Our teeth and gums go through a lot during the day, so getting rid of any trapped food and plaque is crucial when it comes to maintaining healthy teeth. Even if you are brushing twice a day, the technique you are using could actually be doing more harm than good. It's important to be thorough yet gentle, as you could end up irritating your gums if you are not gentle. Tip number 2, use a fluoride toothpaste. With so many different kinds of toothpaste in the market to pick from, knowing which one is best for your teeth and gums can be challenging. If you aren't sure where to start, it's always best to look out for a toothpaste that is marked with the ADA seal of acceptance, as these kinds of toothpaste have been evaluated and approved by the American Dental Association. Tip number 3, floss daily. While you may think brushing your teeth twice a day will do the job, it's just as important to floss on a daily basis, too. There are gaps between your teeth that can trap food and plaque which a manual or electric toothbrush can't reach, so simply flossing your teeth can not only make your teeth look brighter but remove excess food particles. Tip number 4, make lifestyle changes. There are several minor lifestyle changes that you can make to help keep your teeth healthy and strong. Avoiding sugary treats or stopping smoking, which have a negative effect on your oral health, will make a huge difference. Following a well-balanced diet that's packed with vitamins, nutrients, and minerals can help protect your teeth and gums. Make sure that you include plenty of fruits, vegetables, grains, and nuts in your diet. Tip number 5, visit your dentist regularly. It's crucial that you see your dentist on a regular basis. While many people suffer from dental anxiety, the longer you leave making an appointment, the more at risk you have of developing periodontitis, a form of gum disease, and other dental issues. It's important that you find a dentist who you can trust and feel comfortable with, so you may want to consider signing up with a reliable dental center, which provides a range of services such as general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, whitening treatments, and dental implants. If you suffer from dental anxiety, there are lots of relaxation techniques that you may want to try out that could help make the experience more bearable. Brushing your teeth properly, using fluoride toothpaste, remembering to floss daily, and avoiding sugary snacks in favor of healthier options are just some of the best practices when it comes to maintaining clean and healthy teeth. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, comment, share the video. For more such videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive regular updates. For interesting health content like this, visit www.medical island.net. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos like this.